Alrighty, what is up guys? We got a new one for you today. We're looking at BAL or Balancer as a request from JW. Now if you would like a chart analyzed, throw that ticker symbol down there in the comment section, hit that subscribe and thumbs up button, and we will add it to the list. Now Balancer is one that I've actually been looking at, but I haven't done a video on it, so I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and do that. Now right off the bat, we were making higher lows all the way up. Oh, let me take that out. I want to hide that right now. We're making higher lows all the way up until we broke that right about here with this dip down to 34.80, which we tried to recover from, kind of like abandoned baby bounce right here. And then it didn't work. It just fell even further, breaking below the 200, which we've kind of been chopping around and flirting above and below a few times, right? Now, right off the bat, I was like, oh, well, this move right here that came down, tested the 50 MA and broke below, looks a lot like this move right here, which by the time we get down to about 44, would be right in line with that 50 MA, right? Now, a couple things to look at, as I think this is actually bullish. I do not think that what we saw here, we are going to see again here. And this is why. So let me pop my drawings onto here. Now, if you notice, let me actually remove the fib because we don't need it for the bulk of what I'm going to be talking about here. Now, if you see back in here, I'm going to blow this up. This move up, which we saw previously, was, let me go, let's do 1 hour, let's back it up, and let's go here. So this move that we saw up last time that we can compare this move to, right? Because they look similar. We have similar momentum indicator, we're at similar spots, right? Similar spots testing these similar moving averages. So this time, however, when we're doing it, something looks a little bit different. And if you've been watching the channel and you've been learning through the Discord community, then you already know what it is because it's already charted. Right, the last time we moved up, yes, we had the move in our Wilder's index go higher. However, this time when we move up, we have a lower move on the indicator. And you know what that means when we have a PA or price action going higher, we have our Wilders or really any of our momentum indicators showing this divergence. This right here is going to be a bullish divergence. The lows are higher, the Wilder is lower. Okay, so this means that we are not going to see the same thing over here, and I believe it was Warren Buffett said the one constant about the market is that history does not repeat itself, right? So if we're looking for history to repeat itself, if I can grab this line, if we're looking for history to repeat itself, it's not going to happen, and we have proof of that. So the stochastic, we have room to move up. MACD is consolidating and starting to pump to that upside there where our 12 is crossing above our 26, and we have this hidden bullish divergence on the chart, which is very, very clear to see. So do I think Balancer is going to go up or down? I think it is going to go up. Now, where do I think it's going to go? Well, let's pop back to the 1 day. Let's remove all our drawings and let's take a look at what we have. So we're going to throw a fib retracement on here. A fib retracement, you need 2 points, point A, point B, point A being the start of the impulse, point B being the end of the impulse, and we can see right here that we found a good line of support right there at 31,267. We did come down, however, to 29 even about, which we will use for our extension. So let's go ahead and throw an extension up here using the same point A, the same point B, but this needs point C, which is going to be the actual point of that retracement, right? So I'm going to unlock my chart here and drag it up. I like to see the 618 or 61% to the 78% retracement, which means I'm looking for a 56,795 as my next sell target. Sell target A and sell target B is all the way up at 64.49, 64.50 area. So I do think that this is bullish. However, there are a couple things that we do want to watch out for. Now, while our MACD, that was terrible. I mean, can I even drag that down? I can't. So while our MACD, which the circle should have been down there, is pumping, right? The 12 has crossed the 26. We are seeing that buying volume come in. There's a couple things to note. One, at least on the daily, we are up here on the stochastic. We could see a little dip under and pop back up as we did right here, but I believe on the pop back up this time, we will see greater momentum in the price action, right? The stochastic does not always have to be reflected in the price action. As you see on this time, stochastic going up, RSI going up, MACD in the green, price action going down. We're making lower highs, lower lows, right? So it doesn't always have to be that way. However, this time I do think we will find the momentum to go up. Now, if I'm buying right here, where am I going to be stopped out at? Well, I would be stopped out right around the 39.50 mark, right? Now, I'm not in this. I'm not getting in this. But if I was to be stopped out, I'd be stopped out right at the 39.50 with an upside of 64.50, right? So it's about a 1.8 to 1, right? Or 2 to 1, almost a 2 to 1 gain to loss. So balancer, bullish or bearish, in my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, nor should you ever listen to social media for any of your entry or exit positions. I do believe this is bullish. I do believe it does have room to move up. So, till next time, guys, we will catch you on the next video. Remember, no FOMO, no panic selling. Always make sure you have at least 2 points justifying why you want to enter or exit any position. Thanks so much, guys.